Hello everyone, this is the introduction of input source configuration. Number 1. Select a source. There are 4 types of sources. Double-click the source to switch. It is also available to switch the video source in the Properties pane on the right. Number 2. View info frame. View the attribute values of the input source, which shows the default information. Number 3. Set resolution and frame rate. Select a value from the drop-down list of the resolution and frame rate, or customize a resolution, then click Apply. For the SDI, it is not available to adjust the EDID. Number 4. Adjust the color properties. Set the info frame. Select a value from the drop-down list of color space, color gamut, and quantization range. Select from input and the software will capture the attribute value automatically. Set the color. In the color area, drag the sliders to adjust the parameter values. Black level is used to adjust the contrast of the dark areas of the image. Set the HDR parameters. There you have options like Auto, HDR10, HLG, and SDR. For HDR10, pick your maximum content light level, ambient lighting, and low gray are available. The HLG related parameters including HLG level only. SDR has no related parameters to cite. Internal source settings. There are resolution, frame rate, and bit depth. Choose the proper value and click Apply.